Hi everyone, it's Adam here. I thought while we're all stuck at home, it might be fun to learn how to draw a few things. So I'm going to create a few of these video lessons, and this is my first one. And today I'm going to teach you how to draw a robot. So let's start. So first thing that we do is make a box, and this is going to be the robot's head. And then we need a slightly bigger box underneath. I've left a gap. We can put a neck in there, but you don't have to. Okay, there we go. Now we can join those up with a neck and give our robot some legs. There we go. And some feet. Now you might hear some squeaking. That is my Wacom tablet, which is the pen that I'm using to draw, and as my hand passes over it squeaks. So let's give him some arms, and with him being a robot he can have extra long extendable arms. There we go. There's one. There is his left one. And on his chest we can put lots of different buttons and dials. Maybe give him some sort of digital heart here. There we go. Some sort of graph readout there. But you can choose whatever you want to put on there. You could be wearing a t-shirt if you want. There's no rules really, you just do what you want. And then what I'm going to do now to make this bit look more metallic is left arm. Putting these little curved lines on, and it makes it look like a bendy pipe. Do the same on here. And for the hands, just start with a circle and do one on this side. And then onto the circle we'll stick a thumb and then some robot-y fingers. There we go. And with the fingers we can do the same thing, put those little lines in. It makes it just look a bit more metallic, a bit more robotic. And there's a little trick I'm going to show you in a minute with these. If you just put a little line here, like that, on the inside, it makes it look almost reflective on the arm. There we go. So I haven't joined it up, I've left a gap in between, but you can see that makes it look like it's quite shiny, and you can, if you've got time and patience, you can do it on all these bits as well. Just make my pen a bit bigger. There we go. Put these in. There we go. And we could give him wheels. Why not? So we can zoom around while he's stuck indoors. There we go. Give him another one on the end there. Put little dots on the inside. Now, he looks a bit blank, doesn't he? Doesn't look particularly friendly, so let's give him some big old eyes. And a friendly smile. Maybe an antennae, getting information. There we go. We can just put a line on there, again to make it look a bit shiny. Shiny there. I think he is almost done, or she, or it. So the robot is done. So that's the first lesson completed. So I'll try and do some more of these. But yeah, just have fun with it. Your robot doesn't have to have 2 arms. It could have 4 arms. It could have 4 legs. It could just have a big kind of wheel at the bottom. So there are no rules really. Just have fun with your drawing and yeah, stay safe. Okay, bye.